guys, good evening. We're back again on this another day, another afternoon. I just tell you the story about yesterday. We went out with my family yesterday in one restaurant. One of the staff actually, I think the restaurant is kind of busy. She has some attitude anyway, and you can give this attitude actually, especially if you work the hospitality. Hospitality is like very delicate place to work because you never know. That's why they call it guest, because you never know who's that guest. Maybe he knows something. Maybe he's one of the top. You never know. That's what I'm saying. It's hard. Well, sometimes it comes to me also once I'm working in the bar, but it depends the situation actually, because some guests will just give you a hard time anyway. But if the person is not giving you a hard time, and no matter what, you have a problem at home, just leave this problem at home and enjoy your work. And that's all you can do. Once you enjoy your work, and that's what's like you're happy. So that's it. I'm just sharing those kinds of experience actually, and it's good. It's good. Everything's settled down anyway at the end. So we today the drinks that I make actually is margarita. I'll make the margarita on the rocks straight up, because we can make it frozen actually. One thing, if you do the frozen kind of hot inside, so it's kind of floppy. If you use the blender, and it's kind of not really good for frozen margarita. Especially it's like kind of hot down there, so it's gonna melt really fast. So just make on the rocks and a straight up margarita. And if you go out in the stores actually, like a bar tools store, you can buy a salt rimmer. I just use the, kind of small platter actually, like this, like cups, like tea cups, coffee cups, plates. So, all right. So we're gonna start now. I can start with the straight up first. So if you make actually a margarita, actually the tricky part, that's why lots of people actually using the triple sec, because triple sec is kind of cheap than the contro. Contro is really good for margarita. So people, even though the Cosmo, if you go in the bar, go out, have a drink, you see the first thing that the bartender will get is the triple sec. And you can ask this question actually, because the contro is really good. It's the same as like orange liqueur, but it's different process. The contro actually is kind of for top shelf, the same as the tequila. You can use this tequila for any margarita, only on the rocks or frozen or straight up. But if you have like top shelf like Patron, you can use the Patron actually. Patron or Don Julio or Cuervo, the 1800, that's good also for top shelf. So we just made this margarita for us anyway. So this kind of session and training session, so we use the different one. All right, cool. Let me get some ice. I frost the ice. So about a scoop on the glass. By the way, I got the sour mix, and it's fresh, it's like citrus or calamansi or lemon. And if you have lime is really good actually for margarita or any drinks, because the lime is like lesser sour than the lime, and it's most of the lime actually is seedless. It's just easy to use also. All right. And then there's some places actually they will use this too, lime mix. Well, this is good for gimlet, Maybe it's good for gimlet, but if I make a gimlet also, I'd rather use the fresh one, rather than the mix, So, there we go. This is for the rimmer, like just for the salt rim and the glass. All right, guys. So that's what I'm saying. So like if you go in the bar, like bar tools, a store, they have those ice, no, the salt rimmer or the sugar rimmer. You can buy those in the Bartol's store, or you can buy it online, maybe at Amazon also, you know. So see, look at this, you get nice salt on the rim, or maybe sugar on the rim. It depends what, maybe if you make a sidecar, like salt on the rim of the glass. So let me put this ice back in the freezer so that it's just steady and it's frosty. So about the jigger of the lime mix. Got 20 ml of the triple sec, and then a 30 ml of a tequila. All right, let me add another lime mix of this. So about 2 jigger of the lime mix. See those? Perfect. So I have the hydrated lemon actually, so this is what I use. And I have the this one is a real sunflower, so I can use the petals of this. So this is gonna be a sunflower margarita. This is gonna be your sunflower margarita. All right, just like name the tune. I'm just not gonna wash this also because I just use it for margarita also. So just put back the ice down there. I know it's like melted ice right now, but you can still use it. If I use some other drinks, maybe I'm gonna change the ice and wash the shaker. So this for the margarita on the rocks. So about a scoop of ice again. There's a lot of places actually, especially like Cayman or maybe Texas or maybe Mexico. Those places they can sell you a pitcher of margarita also, and maybe a burgerita, margarita with the Corona on the glass. You know, it's like mix, and that's really good also. Jigger of this, and 20 of this, and another jigger of this too. See, if you go in the bars like pre-pouring bar, and you can just pour directly in the glass if you know how to do it. You know, it's like bubbles. You're gonna add a little bit of the lime cordial. This is not fresh. So another 20 ml of the lime cordial. Now this is still good, you know. I'm not saying it's bad, but you know. But if you have fresh one, you can use the fresh one because that fresh one is like make your drinks like the best. You know, it's really good. All right. Yeah, exactly. So that's your margarita on the rocks again with the hydrated lime, and I have the the shimeji mushrooms. These real mushrooms actually, you can see this in Southeast Asia, most probably like Japan, China, Philippines also. And I just steam this this one. You can eat right away. So this gonna be like a this gonna be like a mushroom margarita. See that? And you got the black shimeji mushroom also. Not the black. It's a brown. So, and you have to be careful about the mushrooms because there's some mushroom is poisonous, some mushroom is good to eat, and some mushroom is poisonous. So, just be careful using the mushroom. The same as flour, you know, using flour in the drinks, you have to be careful because some flour is poisonous. So this is a mushroom margarita. So this is a tricky part in the bar. You guys thinking it's like how you can like that straw is like really long. So most bartenders actually just cut the straw a little bit shorter, and you can use it. Here we go. Cheers, guys. You got the mushroom margarita, and you got the sunflower margarita also. This is like good for summer drinks. All right. Cheers. And before you forgot, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and share. I got the Naked Mixology in my Facebook page, and I got the Instagram also. Please, guys, please thumbs up and comments below, and thank you so much. Have a good weekend. Cheers.